Hello friends, welcome back to another new video. In this video, we are learning about chapter 1 Nutrition in Plants for class 7. Introduction. Modes of nutrition. Chapter 1 Nutrition in Plants. All the living organisms, plants, and animals require food. The organisms need to take food to obtain energy, to obtain materials for growth, and to obtain materials for the repair of damaged parts of the body. The process of taking food by an organism as well as the utilization human beings cannot make food themselves. They obtain food from plants or other animals that eat. Plants, the human beings and animals depend on plants for their food. Directly or indirectly, we will now discuss the various modes of nutrition in organisms. Modes of nutrition. The methods of obtaining food are called mode of nutrition. On the basis of their modes of nutrition, all organisms can be divided into two main groups, autotrophs and another one heterotrophs. We will now describe both these modes of nutrition of organisms in detail one by one. Autotrophs. Autotrophic mode of nutrition. Those organisms which can make food themselves from simple substance like carbon dioxide and water by the process of photosynthesis are called autotrophs, and their mode of nutrition is called autotrophic. All the green plants are autotrophs. This is because green plants can make their own food from simple substances like carbon dioxide and water present in their surroundings by the process of photosynthesis. In their other words, green plants have autotrophic mode of nutrition. For example, plants are autotrophs. Having autotrophic mode of nutrition, autotrophs contain green pigment called chlorophyll, which helps them make food by absorbing energy from sunlight. Most of the plants are green and hence synthesis make their own food. See figure 1. Figure 1. Green plants can make food themselves by photosynthesis, so they are autotrophs. Green plants have autotrophic mode of nutrition. This means the most of the plants have autotrophic mode of nutrition. The green plants produce food not only for well as for animals including human beings. Our body and that of the other animals cannot make food for carbon dioxide and water present around us by the process of photosynthesis like plants or do, because our body does not have green pigment called chlorophyll, which the plants have. The green pigment chlorophyll is necessary to absorb from sunlight required for making food by photosynthesis. Heterotrophs, modes of nutrition. Those organisms which cannot make food themselves by the process of photosynthesis and take food from green plants or animals are called heterotrophs. And other mode of nutrition is heterotrophic. All the non-green plants or animals, including human beings, are heterotrophs. The non-green plants do not have chlorophyll for carrying out the process of food making called photosynthesis. So they depend on other organisms, plants or animals for obtaining their other organisms, plants and animals obtaining their food. The non-green plants called fungi such as mushroom, yeast and bread mold are heterotrophs. They have heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Certain bacteria also heterotrophs. All the animals, including human beings, are categorized as heterotrophs because they cannot make their own food. They depend on plants, other animals for obtaining their food. Thus, all the animals like cat, dog, goat, cow, buffalo, deer, lion, tiger, and human beings are heterotrophs, having heterotrophic mode of nutrition. See figure 2. This is the figure 2. Animals obtain their food from other organisms like plants or other animals. So they are heterotrophs. Animals have heterotrophic mode of nutrition. This cow is animal which is eating plants as food. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Please like the video and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.